do a video for you because this room is so amazing. I'm in room 609. You walk in. This is the foyer. First, you get a complimentary hat and bag that you can take home with you, they said. I love how the key card are wood. They're actually wooden cards. I should probably take one of this with me as a souvenir. There's your umbrellas. You have your mini bar here with complimentary waters, and they keep bringing you more of these bottles as you enjoy them. There's your kettle, your coffee, and then your drinks. Here you have your tea and your coffee, but they said like if you want any coffee, just order it and they'll bring it to you at no charge whatsoever. Or they'll keep refilling your coffee. And then there's your minibar items here, as well as your minibar refrigerator here as well. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so you can close that, and here you enter. There is a door that separates this from the rest of the room, but you can open this door and enter into your living room. This living room, you have a nice desk with leather, whatever this is called. This was my welcome drink. Here's your, oh man, here's your stationery. You can open this. There's your envelopes, as well as your, I think this is your pen, Post-it, I mean, staples. I mean, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Love the desk. Love this piece of furniture here with the drink holder built in. I really love putting my drink there. Your living room, you can sit and enjoy. There's your lighting fixture. And then from your living room, you can enter here to your closet. This is my luggage. There's your robe, hangers, different types of hangers. This hanger, this hanger, this hanger. Your safe, your laundry bag, your shoe, your flashlight, your slippers. And he offered to unpack my luggage. I almost took him up on the offer, but I was like, no, it's okay. In the closet, they would do my laundry, and then they would bring it in this amazing cover, as well as this basket here. And then everything was like super wrapped up in this cloth. It's just very delicate. Super stunning. I know I'm using the word super a lot. It's just that, I mean, even this closet, it's padded. Then over here you have the guest room or the bedroom. It's separated by this little curtain, which is stunning, absolutely stunning. This is a king size bed. I mean, amazing woodwork. Absolutely amazing woodwork. More stationery. Over here you can control your lights. There's a USB cord right there. For turn down service, I didn't get turn down service last night, but I wanted to show you everything that they do for turn down service. They put a rug here with my slippers. They put a bottle of water here with a glass, some fresh flowers at nighttime. They replenish the fruit basket every single night and write beautiful notes like this. As well as the utensils to eat the fruit basket. Platinum gift, sanitizer. I mean, oh my God, oh my God. Outside, there was nothing really special about outside other than they have this mosquito repellent, and they will replenish that every single day as well. And then last but not least is the bathroom. I mean, this is a wow bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is the tub. The tub is actually absolutely massive. I don't think the camera or the photo does it justice, but it's actually like it could easily fit a 500-pound person. It is like, I mean, I wish I could give it some sort of dimension to it. Here's I requested extra bath salt. So here's my bath salt. Wow, 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 wow. There's a little TV here that you can't even see. It's built in, and then you have your sinks, and then your amenities, which is just overflowing with amenities. Oh my God, look at this water. This water bottle is in its own little holder. In its own holder. There's a toilet in its own room, which is fabulous. Another bathrobe, and then the shower with multiple fixtures. There's the amenities. I mean, and then my laundry bag or laundry hamper over here. I mean, wow. Overall, absolutely stunning, beautiful hotel. This is probably one of the best hotels I've stayed at. I'm not gonna say the best because I love the one and only brand, but this is by far number 2 for sure. Okay, bye-bye.